Yes, good morning. Today we're going to tackle a really important question. Have I fucked myself up for life? Is this a question that you ask yourself? And perhaps a while back you noticed that you had an erection struggle and that continued over time, and now you're thinking, have I fucked myself up for life? Why is it important that we talk about this question today? Because it's scary, right? When we have that thought of have I fucked myself up for life, it can make us stay stuck and in this fear and anxiety zone. And I read a study that was done recently in 2021, a medical study in America, and it showed that over 1/3 of men who have erection struggles have not spoken to anybody about it or sought guidance to be able to fix it. Over 1/3. And I get that this is uncomfortable. I get that it's not a nice thing to talk about. But it is worth having one uncomfortable discussion to be able to get this fixed for the rest of your life. Because the alternative is by not asking for guidance, by not getting a set of tools that can help to fix this, it stays like this for the rest of your life. And that's not what you want. It's not what you deserve. And it's totally possible to fix this. So here's the step that I would like you to take. First is to ask yourself, have I had the thought, have I fucked myself up for life? Yes or no? Step two, if you have had that thought, how long have you stayed stuck for, or have you taken action to move forward and get this fixed? And most importantly, are you seeing the results that you want to see? So step two, asking yourself the question, am I seeing the results that I want to see? Step three, below in the comments, I'm going to leave the link to my website, and that will tell you more about my story and also the men that I've worked with to be able to help fix this. So I'd like you to go and check that out if you're finding that you're staying stuck or not getting the results that you want. It's totally possible to fix this so that you can go back to having sex in the way that you used to when it felt like that honeymoon period. Okay, so it's time now to do this, to work through those 3 steps. And how you will know this is working is if it feels instinctively good, like you have a direction to be able to get this sorted. Okay, thank you.